Welcome back to Pokipokids. Welcome to Bluey Jump Battle. Pick which character you think will win. Jump the block to power up your character. The first character to reach the top wins.
Don't forget to guess the quiz and play more mini games.
Before starting, please subscribe. Pick a side.
Chili versus Nana.
Hi, Bluey.
Let's jump. Let's jump. Keepy Uppy time. Touch the balloon. Would you rather?
Gotta give it some of these. I've got it. I'm doing what?
Or probably nothing, I suppose. Maybe I'd just walk through the door instead. Wouldn't be as fun though.
Subscribe for more. Let's jump. Let's jump.
Trace the letter T. Brilliant. T, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T, tiger. T-I-G.
Find the odd one.
Find judo in this picture. Find the difference.
I-G-E-R, tiger. T, toad. T-O-A-D, toad.
Tap a picture starting with the letter
T, rose. Tractor.
Way to go!
Can you find Chloe in this picture?
Would you rather?
Gotta give it some of these. I've got it. I'm doing what?
Probably nothing, I suppose. Bingo, just walk through the door instead. Wouldn't be as fun, though.
Bandit or Uncle Red? Subscribe for more Bluey content. Find the difference.
The winner is... Let's dance to celebrate.
Do you want me to do it, Grandad? Is that why Mum wants you to rest? So you're fun.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.